Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video I got an exciting topic for you, and that is creating websites on a budget. Why do we even need a website in the first place? You could be a small business owner or a blogger or someone who just want to create their online presence and you need somewhere to start. A website is a great place to showcase something to others, because the world now is getting into, let's say, online and digital. So I believe some of the ways to show your skills or offer some services is probably having a website. You could use social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of that. But you still need a website, and today we'll be discussing how to create websites step by step for less than $20. Yes guys, you heard me correct, less than $20. Now hold on, I believe you will be saying right now that why don't you create that, or why can't we do that for free, or guys, I've been doing that for free. But guys, trust me, like they say goes, there is nothing for free. If it is free, then you are the product, and I believe you don't want to be the product for this. So guys, creating a website for $20, you won't break a bank for that, because there are professionals out there which you can hire, and they do that for you for not less than $2,000. So yes guys, before we dive in, let's break down the steps. We'll begin with domain registration, web hosting, and website building tools. By the end of this video guys, you'll be well on your way of getting your own website without breaking the bank, trust me. So guys, step number 1 is domain registration. Yes guys, the first step is getting a domain name, and a domain name is like a web address that you put on a search bar, let's say a search engine, and it brings up your website. So we walk you through on how to register a domain name and guide you with the best domain name registrars out there that you can use. I'll give you an example of some, and I use one to buy a domain name for you. So let's dive in. Register a domain name. Alright people, here is a company we are going to use to register a domain name, which is called Namecheap. You can just go on there and create an account. So we'll begin by putting in our domain name, the domain name we are going to register, and verify if the domain is available first. Then we purchase. So from here, see it says checked and it's available, so it's been sold for $7.4 per year. So let's add that to cart and proceed. Let's check out. So from here we'll click on confirm order. So we are going to use PayPal to register this domain name, but you can use several methods like credit cards and the rest. So I will decide to use my PayPal. Click on continue and check out with PayPal. I'll just fill in my email and password for you. Just hold on a second. So the total is 4,800 guys. That's roughly, that's the amount in $7.4. So let's proceed. And buy a domain name. It's as easy as that guys. That is it. Domain name has been bought successfully. Thanks for your purchase. And that is all about registering a domain name. You can just go through this website, register yourself a domain name, just create an account. It's really easy. Create an account, just give them an email and a password, that's all. You give an account, then you can buy your own domain name directly. After buying the domain name, then we can all move on to the next step, which is linking this domain name to hosting. So let's move into the domain name tab. Let's go into the dashboard and see the domain name. Here's the domain name. You can easily manage the domain name from here. As easy as I can click on manage and proceed with any settings you want to do. So guys, step number 2 is web hosting. Next, you need a web hosting to store your website files so it can be accessible online. Fortunately, there are so many web hosting out there, but I'll give you the best, guys, budget friendly websites that you can use to buy a hosting and use for your web development. Okay, so here's the website we are going to use to order a hosting plan. So guys, this is the host budget, and from what you see, they offer web hosting for $1 a month. So that is $12 a year. Add that to our $7 domain. Let's move downwards and see what they got. So you see one month and $6 per month, $1 per month. So definitely we are going with the $1 per month. But before we go into order hosting, you need to create an account. You need to create you an account so as to use for the purchase process. So you can use the link down in the description to create an account. When you use a link, it assists the channel. That's a referral link, so it helps the channel in a way. So but if you are not willing to use a link, you can just go directly to their website. It's called hostbudget.com. Just type in hostbudget.com on your browser and search. It takes you to this page. You create an account. You just have to click an area, and you see here it says creating an account. But here I've created an account already, so you just register or log in. I have an account already, so I'll just log in. You can go up there and click to register a new account. So you register an account, you fill in the form. Is basically, guys, it's very easy to do. So just create an account and fill in the form. Just provide basic information, and an account will be created. It takes you to this page. So what next? You have to buy ourselves a new hosting. So guys, let's click on their logo. Takes us back to this page. Click on order hosting. Yeah, this is the hosting we are going in for, the $1 per month. And guys, they offer two. You can host 2 domain names in this particular account. So that's even additional advantage for you. You can come on and add another domain to this. So I have so many of these accounts because I create so many websites every year. So I have so many of these accounts present with websites in them. So just click to order a new one. Yeah, they say register a new domain, but guys, we are not going to register a new domain because we did that already in Namecheap. So all what you need to do next is click on I will use my existing domain and update the name servers. Click on that, put in your domain name. I have this already, rapid logistic, and put in the extension. Click on use. Yep, it says $12 for the summary. Just click on continue. boom, it says $12. Now you can just click on checkout. Here you choose to use a PayPal or credit card, whichever you have. Just use and make your purchase. But guys, I won't be purchasing this hosting because I have a hosting account already. As I earlier told you, I have so many accounts with free space, so I'll be just link this my website again to one of those accounts. For the purpose of the video, I was just showing you how to obtain your own hosting for the first time, and it's really that easy, guys. Just click there and click on the continue order, and that's it. The process will be done automatically. When they confirm your payment, you have your hosting, and from there you can move on. So with this, I will just go in and link my own domain to my hosting and bring us back to the same exact position where what you get when you just click on this complete button. So let me do that and come back. So guys, after purchasing our hosting, what we have to do next is linking our domain name, the name servers to our domain name. That is our hosting name servers to our domain name. We are doing this so that the two entities can be combined together. That is your domain name and your hosting. Without doing this, you have so many errors, like maybe your website not opening, or you can't even use the website. So basically what you have to do is, in your account, like you have so many hosting accounts here, but in your account you have just one, and that one comes with an email that contains your cPanel, your name servers, and some other stuff that you will need in the future. So basically what you have to do is locate those name servers and that email. It's an email. So you go up, the first thing you do is to go up to where it says hello. Yeah, hello. So that's your name, and you click on the email history. That's where your email are present here in the email history. From this email history, you can now locate your name servers. The name servers that you're going to use to locate. So let's look at that. So search where it says new account information. That's where your name servers are located. So it says new account information. Click on view message and scroll down to locate name servers 1 and 2. Those are the name servers. This is very important, guys. This is the name servers you are going to input in your domain name to link both of them. So you have to copy the name server 1 and take to where your domain is, to your domain account where you bought your domain, and click on manage account, then set that in. So for this purpose, let me show you how to do that. Let's go back to our domain and my domain account. I have to click on manage account. So is the, I think maybe, yeah, you click on manage account, it's come up. Okay, for there you see name server basic DNS. This is the name servers being given by the name domain name provider. So you click there to insert this. Going to insert this name servers from our hosting, not the one from the domain providers. So you have to click on these name servers, basic name servers. So you click on cheap name servers and click on custom DNS. That's where you can now fill in the name server when we copy it. Let's copy the name server too and input as well. So name server to copy it, go back to search it where it says name server 2, then you click on the check mark to validate. It says of the DNS servers have been updated. It may take up to 48 hours. And that's it, guys. It can actually take up to 48 hours or lesser than that. So you just have to hold back tight to setting and you are good to go. So that is it, guys. That is it for linking our name servers to our domain name, and it's pretty easy. So from here we are going to move on to the next step, So step number 3, guys, is website building tools. So once you have gotten your domain and your hosting sorted out, it's time for us to build our website. Yeah, so we will be using user-friendly tools such as WordPress, guys. Yeah, and WordPress powers a significant proportion of the internet, and it offers free themes and paid ones as well. So with WordPress, you can create a stunning looking website without having any coding experience, guys. Yeah, it's basic, it's big, and I'll show you that in the video. So let's move into the computer and so in this step we are going to install WordPress onto our domain name. WordPress is just like the platform we are going to use to build our website on, and it's a pretty basic drag and drop platform for anybody to use. You don't need any coding experience, like I earlier said in the video. It's very simple. So to do that, we have to do it on a cPanel. Just locate your cPanel where it says login into cPanel near your domain name. So you click on that. Yeah, you have different roles here in the cPanel. I think the email role. So you have to locate the software role where it has the WordPress, because we have email and we have files. Scroll down to locate software. Here's a software. In the software we need to locate WordPress Manager by Software Colors. Click on that. In here you have your domain name and the install button at the top. You need to install your WordPress. So click on that. There's also the installation form. In the installation form there are 4 boxes. There are 4 boxes. In each box you need to do some settings, like here over here in choose a protocol. Make sure your protocol should be HTTPS. Please always select the HTTPS option, so your domain should be secured. If you have the HTTPS installed in your domain, make sure to select it. Yeah, and then in here where it says choose a domain, make sure your domain name should be selected here as well. Always verify. So you click and select your domain name, or select the domain name we are working on here, which is the rapidlogics.org. As a domain name we are working on. Always make sure it should be your domain name. We'll be installing this directly to our public HTML folder, not in any directory. So we clear out the WP in the directory box and make sure it should be empty, because we don't want our WordPress should be installed on a different directory from our main directory, which is the public HTML. So we make sure that box should be empty, and in the box that says WordPress version, it's going to be selected automatically. The latest version will be selected by WordPress automatically. So I think you don't have to bother about that. Just let it be like so, and we'll move on to the next, which is site setting. In the site setting we have several boxes. I think site name, it says my blog. I always like to fill in my website name in this box. You can put whatever you want, but I always prefer my website name. So here I'll type Rapid Logics, which is a website name for the box. And the next is a site description. You can fill in any description of your choice, but it should be relative to this type of website you're building. Yeah, it should be relative to the type of website you're building. So I'll let that be like so for this video. let's move on to the next, which is the admin username. For admin username, you can put in a username which you can recall easily. So I always use admin as my username, so let this be like so. So the password is there as well. It's always generated automatically. Even if you don't have, you can click on, you can type in whatever you want as a password. So for the email, put in an email address you have access to, because updates will be coming through this email and you don't want to miss any of that. So put in an email address which you have access to, and that is it, guys. So we proceed to the next. Everything has been filled in successfully, so let's click on install. So just hold on tight. This process takes about 10 seconds for it to, less than 10 even. Yeah, that is it. Our WordPress has been installed successfully. So you have the URL that is for your dashboard. It ends with the WP admin, and then you have the URL for your website, which is just the basic URL, your protocol plus your domain name. So you copy that and put into the next tab, and let's verify if our WordPress has been installed successfully. So we search for that. Boom. Here's our WordPress installation, which has been done successfully. So this is what an empty WordPress installation looks like with their basic theme. So this is it. WordPress installed successfully, and we need to access the dashboard of that WordPress. That is where everything takes part, like building and the rest. So we need to access our dashboard. So after accessing our dashboard, we just have to fill in the WP admin and search. There is an extension after our website name, WP admin, and it takes us to the login page of WordPress. You can fill in your username or your email address here and your password to easily log into your dashboard. So I'll put in admin, and I put in my password, the password I used, and that is it, guys. We are in our website dashboard. This is basically how it looks, a friendly and easy user interface. Alright guys, so in this next video we are going to install a new WordPress theme. Guys, let's say a paid WordPress theme. Yes, because we don't want to work with a free theme. The advantage of having a paid theme is that let's move over to like theme forest. Let's get into theme forest. I'll see what I mean. In theme forest, you can come up here and search for a theme and buy. There are paid themes over here, and the advantage of having a paid theme is that it comes with everything, like the demo data, complete everything. You don't have to do so much work on it to actually get a professional looking website. It's like an already built website for you to just come in and like set in your own informations on the various places you want to put that. So what I mean is that if you search up here, we're trying to build a logistic website, okay? So if you just search like logistics, if you search logistics WordPress, like logistic WordPress, it brings up several logistic WordPress themes, yeah, and here is their amount being sold for $19 to $9. There are ones even up to $79. And if we are coming over here to buy a theme, I believe it will be more than our budget we are working on, which is even less than $20. So I don't want that to happen. you have to stay put in this video. At the end of the video, I'll pass out some free websites that you can get paid themes from. Yeah guys, paid themes like this, I think most of the themes you can get here, you get from that website for free. So that's an added bonus for those of you who make it to the end of this video. So let's move on. If we come over here and like select a theme, let's see, we want to check out this theme. This transportation theme as well. Let's open it up, click on live preview. Yeah, just wait for it. Click on live preview. Yeah, look what I mean. This is like a complete looking logistics site already, and this one is being sold. So you can just come over here, and what you're gonna do is basically fill in your own information. Like most of the information here correct. You just go up, correct some few stuff you want to correct, and make it look good. Like some of these text here are dummy text, so we will want to change some of those and put in like real information. So that's all what I'm talking about, guys. Those are the advantages of getting a paid team. You don't start from the beginning to build a website from scratch. You know, with a paid team, you usually do some few drag and drops and change some information here and there, and you're good to go. So let's close all of this and go back to the WordPress dashboard. And so in this dashboard, we are going to use a paid theme, not a free theme. With a free theme, you're going to take so much time to complete a website. And for those of you who don't have so much idea about building websites on WordPress, you might get bored just trying to develop a website from the beginning. So in here, all the theme we're going to be working with, guys, is the Go Cargo theme. It's a paid theme. So I'll show you how to upload this paid theme into your WordPress dashboard and activate, then use all of its brilliant looking features, convert that into. So let's move on what I'm saying. So to do that, all you have to do is come over to the left hand menu, click on appearance and click on themes. You bring you over here to the theme dashboard, click on add new theme. From there you can upload a theme. Click on upload theme, choose your theme file. Here, select the theme you are going to use. That's on our desktop, so it's WP Cargo, and click on open. Next, click on install, and just wait for it to take a little time to install. That's all. And well, guys, it has installed successfully. What you need to do is make this thing go live and it's activated onto your website. Click on activate. You can view the live theme. You can click on activate too. Here is our theme that has been activated. So you can delete all of these other things. You don't need them. Just click on click on delete. That's it. You take out all of the themes you don't need and leave just the one we have activated. Delete all of these. And here is our theme we have activated, the only theme we are going to be working with. Therefore, what you want to do next is make sure for this theme to work correctly. We need to install its demo data. What is a demo data, guys? The demo data is all of those files, like all of this information, the complete website has been built. You have to import all of that so you can have access to that. So to do so, we click on go at the top here where you see this thing requires the following plugins to work. So we need to activate all of these plugins. So click on begin installing plugins. Where is it? Plugins you are going to use for those. So let's install the themes. The plugins, sorry. We need all of these plugins so as to import our demo data. Without these plugins, we cannot import our demo data and our site can't function properly. So we need our plugins. So hit on the check plugins, so you can select all of the plugins at once. Then here, org action, select install and then click on apply for this process to be done automatically. It installs all of the plugins for you. Just sit back, check and wait for the installation. That's it. It has been installed successfully. Hit on return to required plugins. Now it's time for us to activate. We have installed successfully. Now let's activate our plugins. The same action, org action. Now this time around, hit on activate, then select apply. Here all of our plugins have been installed except the OT Visual Composer, and it needs to be activated. So you can come, you can always receive such an error when installing plugins for different themes. It is WordPress, guys. These things happen and you must be smart on how to tackle them. Basically, after installing our plugins, if you see clearly, without these plugins it is quite wrong for us to proceed on activating or maybe installing our demo data, any other stuff, because it will affect our demo data. So always try to make sure all the required plugins be activated successfully. Let's close this. No thanks. And let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to plugins. This. So you can see all other plugins have been installed successfully except this, and without this Visual Composer is not going to proceed with the installation of the demo data. Your demo data might not work correctly because we need these plugins. So let's look for a means to install. So it says update is required, so let's click on that and see. Okay, let's update it. This plugin has been downloaded and plugin has been updated successfully. Let's go turn back. But with this, you see it still says Visual Composer not installed, still shows update. So there's a little trick we can go about this. It's always good to try so many ways to fix an error in WordPress. It is recommended, guys. Always try to fix an error using so many other tactics. So with this, let's go like in our, let's see, theme. Okay, yeah, we have just one theme present in here. Let's try to install another theme and activate it. This might help the situation to activate that Visual Composer we are trying to install and it doesn't want to work. So let's activate this theme. This theme is different from our normal theme, so we have activated the original WordPress theme that comes with our installation. And let's go back to our plugins to try and activate it again one more time. Okay, if you see it says activate, so we can activate that. Okay, it has been activated successfully. Is it activated successfully? So let's go back to our appearance theme. Let's put back our theme we are working with. So let's go on now to the next step, because with this theme, if you right click and open to the next browser, you see it's quite empty. It is blank with no information on it, no menu. This is because we haven't imported our demo data yet, of which it is recommended. So let's click on theme. Let's go back to dashboard. So for us to import our demo data, let's go down to cargo options, hit on demo importer. So here in the demo importer we have several pages. Yes, we have several pages. That is these are, let's say, basically different type of websites you wish. So you can import whichever you prefer. So let me go with this. Okay, I'll import this. So just here on import demo data, click on OK. Just hold on. This can take a long time or rather a small time to import. All depends on your server. So let's just see our demo data has been exported successfully. So let's go back to our front end and see what we got. As you can see, our website has been uploaded successfully. Everything comes in clean. So guys, if you see, that is basically it. You have a clean, professional looking, professional cooler. No, it is just a few clicks here and there to bring up this beauty. So all you need to do is edit this website, change some of the stuff, things you don't need, pages you don't need, to delete that, and it's all yours, guys. It is all yours. So I won't edit this website completely through this video because it's going to be a very long video in the future. I'll give some few ways on how to edit a website completely. From here, if you just change a few information, you can hit like on edit this page. It takes us to the back end. Here, this is where you can change one or two informations on your site. If you can see here, it says customer satisfaction. You can just click on the edit button here, and below you type whatever you want to type here. This is the information found in the front end. Whatever you put here is what you get in the front end of your website. So guys, that is it basically. You can play around with this. As you see, it's just a drag and drop option. Everything is drag and drop, easy, no coding required, just a drag and drop feature of building a website. So that is it. Look at how clean that stuff is. This is the advantage of building websites on WordPress. You don't have to be a professional to do that. Edit and put whatever you want, and that is it. You can track, insert a tracking number and track. So okay guys, for those of you who don't know what Canva is, but it's a website for graphic designs. It has so many features that can actually help you to create images and image design you wish for your website. So you can just go on to your browser and type canva.com, like so, and hit the search button. You create an account and they offer a free version of it, but with the free version you have limited access. So it is pretty, I think it's just about $14 for a month. If you wish to use the platform, you can just like go through and find out what you need. Yeah, and as you can see, this is my own account on Canva, and I have so many. I've been using it now for a while. So you can create your logos and other stuff with Canva. So that's what I just wanted to show. I won't go in depth with this. I believe I'll do so in another video. So, and for those of you who actually made it to the end of this video, as I earlier said in the video before, I was going to drop some websites that can assist you to get paid themes for free. Yeah, paid themes for free. And you know, I said in my video, actually there's nothing like free, you know. Yeah, but so what these guys have done is they have bought those themes from areas like Team Forest and other services, you know, and they have put it on their website for you to download for free. But for you to download, you need to like go through some steps, and that is by clicking ads and the rest. Those ads actually give them some revenues, so that's the only way you can pay them back for this kind service, I believe. So one of those websites is Shine Ads, sorry. Shine Ads, and you search. Yeah guys, this is it. You have shineads.in. You here on that, takes us to their website. Here's the website, guys. You can actually get so many free themes from here, so many paid themes from here for free. All what you need is just to come over to their theme, to their search bar, and maybe search for the kind of theme you're looking for. Or you can go over to Theme Forest, search for a theme you might like from Theme Forest. Just copy the name of the theme and come over here and search for it in this platform. And if you find it, you can easily download it. So like I said earlier, for you to download a theme, and they also have plugins as well. So for you to download a theme or a plugin from here, you are going to go through some basic steps. That is like hitting on some ads, you know. Yeah, you have to pass through some ads to get this free theme, but it's pretty easy to do so. At least it is for you to click on those ads. It is worth your while. So it's just for you to go through and, you know, that's it. You can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up for more tutorials and tips on everything website. So see you in the next video.